So normally on our videos, we're on the go talking about non-stop adventure. But in this video, we're gonna talk about the top 5 relaxing and romantic things that you could do here in the Maldives.
Activity number 1. The hotel can arrange a nice private dinner with a private chef in your room or on the beach and enjoy that beautiful sunset.
Activity number 2, continuing on with the food theme, is arranging a private floating breakfast brought to you and enjoyed in your own infinity pool. On top of that, you can also arrange afternoon tea or maybe even a dinner out on a floating dock in the middle of the ocean. Check it out. Before we go into our next activity, comment down below what type of trip you would like to do in the Maldives. An adventure one like our previous video linked here above, or a romantic one with your special adventure buddy. And if you want to see more content like this and see more adventures, consider subscribing down below. And if you like this video, please consider giving us that big thumbs up. And without further ado, let's get to the next activity.
Activity number 3. Another thing to enjoy is a couples massage. You could do it in the privacy of your own villa, or most of these resorts have beautiful spas.
Activity number 4. Our favorite time of the day to enjoy the Maldives was during sunset. And so what better way than a sunset cruise? Getting on the open water and watching that sun set across the beautiful ocean.
Activity number 5 is enjoying that beautiful white sand beach and the crystal clear blue waters of the Maldives, enjoying it walking hand in hand.
And making some good slow motion videos. Check it out. So in summary, the Maldives is an incredibly romantic spot, enjoyed by most honeymooners or those who are just looking to get away and escape a little bit of this romantic paradise. And so again, if you like this video, please consider giving us that thumbs up, hit that bell for notifications, as well as that subscribe button so you won't miss out on our upcoming videos. Because after all, life's an adventure.
Who are you going on it with?